Hello, I'm Chris Alvatin and welcome to the new video on how to create a self-service analytics assistant to analyze your financial data, which is powered by OpenAI. As always, in each video, I teach you how people can optimize their workflow by automating different tasks, helping them to get ahead of their peers and get the next promotion. So let me ask you this question. Have you ever wanted to dive into your company's data, analyze it quickly, and get answers when you need it, without relying on writing SQL queries or waiting for the IT support? Well, let me introduce you to the Financial Analyst Assistant, a self-service application designed to make data analysis accessible to CFOs and financial professionals. With Talk to Data, you can ask questions in plain language and get instant insights from your data, allowing you to make more smarter and informed decisions. So let's upload a document, ask a question, and ask your assistant. So here we have our data. Within seconds, we have results which we asked for. Cool, right? So let's get started and see how we can build that. Before we dive into the solution, here's what you will need to follow along. Again, you need Python installed. You have to have an OpenAI key. Just go to the OpenAI website, create an account, and generate a key. Download Streamlit for it's a fantastic Python framework for creating web apps, and some basic Python knowledge. Don't worry, I get you covered. And if you have all that, perfect. Now let's take a closer look at the code and bring this idea to life. Start by importing the necessary libraries. You will need again OpenAI and Streamlit. Hit pip install Open Streamlit, and then afterwards go to the code part where you import the packages, Streamlit, pandas to understand the CSV from your data, and OpenAI. Create an OpenAI key txt file where you add the key you generated on their website, and then create your client. Add some nice appealing parts on the Streamlit application, such as title, the possibility to upload the file, read the CSV, show the file to Streamlit so you can see the 5 top rows or some samples. And then another area where you say, okay, here enter your text, enter the button to ask OpenAI to analyze the upload data for you based on the user input. So very simple here. We're telling him, here's this data in CSV format. The user asks a question, provide always an exact answer to the user question. You can create this prompt much more structured. If you want to say, okay, I want to have always the results in a certain format, then just add this information, set the prompt. So a ChatGPT knows, or at the end, GPT knows what you want to create. Because you need to know, GPT will always give you an answer, never mind what you enter. But the more precise you are, the more you get what you want. Then afterwards, just be using GPT 3.5. You can also use GPT 4. And then we get our results and we visualize it. That's it. Basic, but effective. And here's our app in action. Within seconds, the GenAI generates a thoughtful structured response, and it's pretty cool. You can customize it with your own data. You can connect it in future to some database behind if you wanna, and straight execute SQL queries on the data to retrieve the information you need for that question. In this case, we kept it simple to show what you can do within a few minutes. So again, let's ask some other questions such as, what is the average salary per occupation? We ask the assistant, and we get in a few seconds the response. Check details. For engineering, it's given us the calculation, the results, and then the final result structured below. So let's say, who earns the most? Instead of writing select max salary and then doing order by, here we have really telling it. Sophia Martinez, a doctor, earns the most with a salary of 130K. So we see here, okay, she's not in the first top list, but we have the result. The possibility at the end are endless as we give GPT the information to analyze. And that's it. Talk to Data is a truly game changer for CFOs and financial professionals who want to take control of their data without technical barriers. It helps you to make faster decisions, to stay ahead of trends, and focus on what really matters, driving your business forward. But be always aware that GPT is not a truth machine. It can generate errors. verify your results to be truly authentic and responsible. If you'd like to learn more about tools like Talk to Data, check out our AI Finance Club, where we discuss AI innovations tailored for the financial industry. And don't forget to subscribe to my Substack newsletter, AI and Finance, for hands-on tips, project and insights. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your network. See you next time.